Pozdravljeni, čas je za nogomet. Sliko smo v Novi Gorici, kjer se bo kmalu začela zadnja tekma 15. kroga Prve slovenske nogometne lige Telemach. V športnem parku bodo nogometaši Primorja gostili Celjane in ti bodo seveda zelo motivirani. Pa poda proti bližnji vratnici, Celjani so se obranili Brkljača, Brkljača je padel in na belo točko je pokazal Martin Matoša. V meru pa so bili preveč apatični njegovi fantje, občutno preveč prostora so imeli. Potrditev, da je šlo za prekršek Semir Smajlagić ali Lovro Štubljar. Semir Smajlagić, Smajlagić in gol! Primorje vodi z 1-0, 11. minuta srečanja. Smajlagić do 7. gola v letošnji sezoni in zdaj je sam na vrhu liste strelcev. Semir Smajlagić pričakoval je, da se bo Štubljar vrgel v eno ali drugo stran in imel je prav. Močno, odločno, tudi natančno. Primorje vodi z 1-0 in v velskem dresu. Natančen je bil proti sevilskemu velikanu. Aljoša Matko. Matko po desni, Aljoša Matko pred vrata. Tole je zanimivo priložnost za Celje, to da Brnič je zgrešil. Zdaj je dobil žogo, pa še enkrat Brnič. Ivan Brnič v kazanski prostor. Fogec je storil napako, priložnost in kakšna obramba Tratnika po strelu Svita Sešljarja. Brnič, Bešir pa Gulič. Karničnik, Sešljar, Edmilson, Kvesič na levo. Ivan Brnič, Brnič in mimo vrat. Proti aktualnemu slovenskemu prvaku in veselili smo se seveda visoke zmage čete Alberta Riere. Poglejte to, Štubljar odbija indirektni prosti strel. Karničnik je žogo poslal nazaj, Kleman Nemanič pa takole brez občutka. Kako bodo skušali zapretiti Ajdovci, napetost narašča. Priložnost za Primorje, to da celjski blok je vendarle deloval. Ajdovci pa vodijo z 1-0. V 10. minuti srečanja je 11-metrovko, ki jo je priboril Marko Brkljača, uspešno realiziral Semir Smajlagić. Spredaj Gulič ovira tekmečeve nogometaše, Gulič do žoge. Mar Gulič ni bil sicer veliko viden v prvem polčasu, pa Brkljača, tole je nevaren poizkus. Sešljar proti bližnji vratnici, gol! Celjani do izenačenja 1-1. 55. minuta srečanja, kapitulirala je obramba Primorja, izvrsten predložek Svita Sešljarja in Celjani so dobili to, kar so iz kletih, je očitno Kleman Nemanič prišel do gola v prvi ligi. Dobil je skok v gneči, obkrožen z branilci Primorja, ki pa svojega dela tokrat niso opravili dobro. Nemanič v obeh bočnih položajih, torej tako Brniču kot tudi Matku, očitno računajo na slabe predložke obeh preomenjenih. Matko, Aljoša Matko, to je dobra podaja, gol! Celjani do popolnega preobrata, 66. minuta, Mario Kvesić. Mario Kvesić do drugega prvenstvenega gola v tej sezoni, razveselil je seveda celjske privržence. Odreagiral in žogo torej spravil za hrbet Gašperja Tratnika. Tu bolje niti ne bi mogel zaključiti. Res dobra poteza tako Matka kot tudi Marija Kvesića. Veliko menjava položaje. Mario Kvesić, ki zdaj pošilja predložek, priložnost za Celjane, da dokončno zapečatijo tekmečevo usodo. Kaj pa zdaj? Kaj pa zdaj? Ja, takole Domagoj Babin po strelu Svita Sešljarja igral z roko in Celjani bodo po vsej verjetnosti imeli 11-metrovko. Takšne zadeve so seveda vselej nekoliko dobil je znak Edmilson. Edmilson in gol. Celjani so podvojili prednost 3-1, še je tekla 74. minuta. Edmilson je še tretjič v letošnji sezoni prišel do prvenstvenega gola. Suvereno. Edmilson tu Tratniku ni pustil niti trohice možnosti za obrambo. Celjani so hodili po tankem ledu, ampak očitno bodo ušli izpod giljotine in se približali rivalom. Mr. Albert Riera, after our last league match, you said that you were beaten by a god. Even today, you gave him a chance to ruin your plan, but at second half you were so dominant, scored 3 goals and took 3 points. Your thoughts?
No, we were dominant from the first minute. We were dominant from the first minute, but I have the feeling that now that every mistake that we are doing, because we are doing a mistake, we are not a perfect team. On the first mistake, it was a chance for the open. The second mistake that we did, a penalty against us. So everything happens, a lot of things happens against us. But I will tell you what I said at the halftime to the team. Today I was very satisfied about the rhythm, how we played, how fast the players, because I'm always telling them that the computer needs to be fast. If the computer is fast, then the legs go fast. And they played amazing rhythm with the ball in the first half also. But at the end you need to score the chances that you have. So I congratulate them because of this. If they play with this rhythm, not many things can keep us 90 minutes playing on this way.
You scored the most goals in this season, but only 3 teams conceded more goals than you. I think there is a big room for improvements.
We have a homework about this. Football is about to score a lot of goals and to don't concede goals. So it's both. We are working on it. We are working on it, of course. But it's true that this is a part of this game. A lot of individual mistakes that happen. When someone is doing the mistake, for me the most important is to know why happened this mistake. Try that it's not happening more. But it's true that we had a lot. We conceded a lot of goals because of this situation. We're going to try to solve in the next games. And on the other hand, as you said, offensive, we are doing a great job. We need to keep going. And I repeat, for me, a long time I didn't see the team. Probably I never seen like today with the rhythm with the ball. So I want to congratulate. For me, this is the victory of my team. To see them how they enjoy playing, how fast they were playing, and I repeat again, if during 90 minutes you are doing a lot of good things, then at the end the result is what happened.
Armandas Kučis will be absent for a while, so this is a big opportunity for Edmilson. Today he was good, he scored a goal.
From here I want to send a big support to Armandas. Yesterday I sent him personally also a message. A part of a very important player, he's a worker, he's a guy that he gives everything. So someone that gives everything will be always in my team, and of course we will miss him, but we need to keep going. We have, as you said, Edmilson playing his play today. He's also a player that wants to do the good things, but in cases we cannot count with Edmilson, and depends of the opponent also. I have also another ideas to play in front. Probably I will not put one defender as a striker, but we have other ideas, other options also to play as a striker. So big support and big hug to Armandas. Now his game now is to recover as soon as possible, to come back strong, and for us that we will be waiting for him. One bet that we have with the team, that we will try to win all the games until the end of the season.
You are the big winners of this game week. Did you also watch Derby today? Any comments?
I didn't watch, and I will tell you why. Because it was a very interesting game against Jagiellonia and Raków in Poland. That it's our next opponent in Europe. I wanted to watch, and today I had the opportunity, because you cannot watch many games in Poland, but because they were playing the first with the second, so it was on the TV and I was watching. It was more interesting, and after they told me that the derby it was 0-0, so I didn't lose. I think I didn't lose too much, no. So also when I am watching some game, I want to watch something interesting, and I think I didn't lose anything interesting in this game. I'm focused on my team. I'm focused on mine. Till end of season, I will not talk about others, because when you have some comments about others, like the other day that it was God that scored. Of course, it's not God. But of course, from 2 chances to score 1, it's 50% of the effectivity. So this is very difficult in football. So what I'm saying that we have to be focused on us. We will keep going on this way, and we will see end of season who is the champion.
Now it's time for international break. How do you want to use this period?
I want them to rest as much as possible. The players that go into the national team enjoy. This is the biggest pleasure in this sport. I remember playing with the national team. This is the biggest to represent your country. So for the players that they are going, especially for Celje that is also first time with the national A, to enjoy. But I want them to be back healthy. So if not, I don't want to let them to go anymore. So to enjoy, and the rest of the players 4 days off, to rest, to enjoy, and come back stronger. The job is not done, and we need all of them rested. Today it was 2 or 3 players that they asked me the substitution. It's normal because we are coming from many games, and also because the rhythm was very very high today. Hopefully we will, as I said before, we have this target to win all the games in Slovenian League till end of season.
Last question, you manage Sweet Celje. How much credit do you have for his first call-up?
Look, the other day, at the end, the most important are the players. If he's not playing well, of course I am helping him. I am giving my knowledge also to him. I don't want that he's making any mistake in his career, and I'm close to him. I will talk about him. You know that I'm not talking personally about him, but it was a special case that he was already out of the country in Turkey. That's fantastic for a Slovenian player to go outside and try to have a great career outside. But I knew that he needed a step back to be strong, and then we will see what is going on in his future. No? Because 21, 22, 23 years old player, you need to play. You cannot be just without playing. So he needed that, and I did with all my heart to bring him back, because if I could see that he has chances to play in Turkey, I will be the first to let him play there, because I want the best for my players to their career. I don't want to be selfish and just thinking that I need this player. At the end, the career of the players are important. And if someone deserves to go to a big club, I will be the first that I will kick him on his ass and send him to this big club, because I'm here to make them better. And if they are better and they deserve to go to a better club, I will be the first to push them. So Zvit is in this moment. He needed this timing now here with us. And then when he will be ready, that he is early with the national team that I expected, because I said end of the year you will be with the national team for sure. He's already there, so he deserves. He told me thank you, but thank you. Okay, I'm helping him, but at the end, it's his quality, his talent, and the most important, all this that he has, his characteristics, he has to give to the service of the team, because this is a collective game.
Milan Anđelković, danes ste se zelo dostojno opirali aktualnemu prvaku, povedli, poskrbeli za veliko dramo. Kaj je morda zmanjkalo za pozitiven rezultat v drugem polčasu?
Ja, videli se, da Celje ima kvaliteto, ima hitrost, ima silo. Ja, prvi polčas je bil dokaj soliden, na to je Celje, tako kot ste rekli, prvak, stopnjeval je ritem, stopnjeval je pritisk in na koncu zasluženo zmaga.
Že z Gašperjem Tratnikom sva nekako ugotavljala, da so vaši varovanci morda v drugem delu igre nekoliko ostali brez moči. Je vaše mišljenje podobno?
Ja, prvi polčas smo se dosti trošili v tej neki tranziciji defenzivni, kot sem rekel, zelo kvalitetna ekipa. Ja, moramo dvigati nivo in fizične priprave, tako da na tem bomo tudi delali.
Imate pa prvega strelca lige, Semirja Smajlagića. Kako pomembno je to za vas? Kako lepo je to za njega?
Vedno je dobro, da imaš prvega strelca v ekipi, tako kot za ekipo, tako kot za njega. Mislim, da lahko fant še veliko več da in tudi mora naprej delati in bo še zadev v gole.
Mark Zabukovnik, čestitke za zmago. V prvem polčasu vam sicer ni kazalo tako zelo dobro, ampak v drugem delu igre ste pokazali res pravi obraz in tekmo obrnili sebi v prid.
Ja, moje mnenje je v bistvu, da smo od prve minute do zadnje mi bili tisti, ki smo diktirali tempo na igrišču izvajali smo, v bistvu uspešno smo izvedeli načrt trenerja, ki ga je postavil pred tekmo. Imeli smo smolo prvi polčas, padec koncentracije, 11 metrovka in prejet zadetek, ampak ne glede na to smo v bistvu nadaljevali s tem, kar smo želeli. Držali smo visok tempo igre in na koncu mislim, da zasluženo zmagali.
Ste seveda veliki zmagovalci tega kroga. Vaš trener Albert Riera je sicer dejal, da danes ni gledal derbija, da si je ogledal obračun med Jagiellonijo in Rakovom. Kaj ste izbrali vi?
Jaz sem si kar ogledal danes derbi med Mariborom in Olimpijo in ja, oni so odnesli 1 točko, mi smo odnesli 3, tako da smo že bliže vrhu, no. Zdaj pa moramo tako nadaljevati, zmagovati tekme in verjamem, da bomo kmalu tam, kjer želimo biti.
Za Olimpijo zdaj zaostajate za 6 točk. Ste po vašem mnenju prvi favoriti za naslov?
Ne bi rekel, da smo prvi favoriti. Glede na to, kako trenutno kaže, mislim, da bo Liga zanimiva. Zdaj, na nas je, da zmagujemo tekme. Imamo cilj, mi seveda hočemo biti prvaki, ampak verjamem, da tudi imajo Olimpija, Maribor, mogoče tudi Koper svoje načrte.
Gašper Tratnik, danes ste odigrali zelo dobro tekmo. V prvem polčasu ste povedli, poskrbeli za dramo. Kaj je na koncu morda zmanjkalo za pozitiven rezultat?
Pa ja, tako kot ste rekli, povedali smo hitro, konec konca igramo proti evropskemu Celju. Zelo dobra ekipa, kar dolgo smo se dobro držali. Žal mi je tega gola iz prekinitve, no mislim, da je tam se lahko tekma celo prelomila. Če bi zdržali še malo, bi bilo še malo več drame, tako kot ste rekli.
Je morda vašim soigralcem v drugem polčasu tudi nekoliko zmanjkalo moči, dolgo časa so seveda igrali po notah Celjanov?
Ja, tako kot ste rekli, to je logično. Če te nekdo stiska, ker nekdo igra okoli, ti trpiš, no in nekako to je treba zdržati in priti do te zadnje minute, da lahko pol upaš na nek pozitiven rezultat.